Hello everyone, it's me, ang Batanggenong graphic artist, and for this video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba i-convert ang inyong picture into something like this. Since usong-uso nga ngayon at patok na patok ang paggamit ng ChatGPT para i-convert ang inyong mga photos into different styled illustrations, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba gawin ang picture na ito into something like this. So here is what you are going to do. So i-open muna natin ang ChatGPT natin. Go to chatgpt.com and then you have to upload files. Click lang natin to, then upload from computer. Then pipili kayo ng inyong photo na gusto nyo i-convert into Disney styled character. So ito, pipiliin ko tong isang to. Yan, and then ilalagay nyo sa inyong prompt kung ano ang gusto nyo mangyari. So for this, I'll say recreate this photo in Disney styled image, or recreate this photo in Disney style. Then go lang natin, scroll down ka lang, then you have to wait for a couple of minutes para ma-convert ng ChatGPT yung illustration natin.
2,000 years later.
Siyempre, it will take a while. Hindi ganun kabilis, lalo na kung hindi tayo naka-premium.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
And now, meron na tayong Disney-styled character from our original picture. Ganun lang kadali, kaya itry nyo na.